Welcome to ShopKeep Video Support. I'm Dan, here to help you log into your ShopKeep BackOffice. BackOffice is where you manage register settings, add inventory items, and much more. Log in by entering your BackOffice web address in a browser or from ShopKeep's homepage. Let's get started. Using a web browser, in the search bar, enter the name of your store with no spaces or capitalization. After your store name, type .shopkeepapp.com, then enter. You will be taken to the login screen. Your store name will auto-populate in the store name field. Enter your BackOffice login in the username email field, then your BackOffice password in the password field. Click Login. You are automatically taken to your BackOffice's bird's eye view. That's it for logging into BackOffice. If you have more questions, visit us online at shopkeep.com/support.